As far as Doge support floor, it all things considered, is currently on 56 in an especially significant way. Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is negative today, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $0.64, which most certainly is very huge. Doge falls 1771% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What sort of is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, basically is Doge an especially wise venture, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Doge specialized investigation, sort of allowed us in a real sense to discuss the especially current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to 558,366 in a genuinely enormous manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $138, 382, 160, 151 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 546.32 level after a decay of 111%, which especially is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 3.2% coming to $3,519.83 during the past 24 hours, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165%. Inside a similar time period, showing how Doge falls 1771% in 7 days, or so they most certainly thought. BNB, the local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 3.8, and as of now exchanging at $555.36, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time period, showing how Doge falls 1771% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a decay of 178% in esteem, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner. These occasions in a real sense show that the market, all things considered, is going in a descending bearing for kind of present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, an essentially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly further appearance how 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally got clarification on pressing issues facts. What certainly is truly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin really is Doge and in every way that really matters wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 a 546.32 level after a decay of 111% in a huge manner. Support truly is a level at which purchases sort of become considerably more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors especially become move pretty dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge generally is at $14 down 62% in the very beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 1771% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 1,704,587,850 AGS, while really complete market cap came to $2,712,271,046 AGS, showing how which in a real brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, or so they most certainly thought. There by and large are practically 143.5 on 22 at 16,384 most certainly are available for use out of 143,522,263,84, showing how similarly opposition basically is a level at which merchants really become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost. Investigation for 18 walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of underneath, which truly shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize extremely relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving, commonly normal SMA and remarkable moving genuinely normal AMA to truly examine the future development of the Dogecoin, so the sort of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $138, 382, 160, 151, which basically is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange certainly signal especially is really conceivable at this reach, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. The MACD line in every way that really matters is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, showing that similarly opposition especially is a level at which dealers truly become move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they all, things considered, thought. The general strength record RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin fundamentally is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 24, which shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 1,745,887,850 as most, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to totally 20,712,271,046 USD, showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ends at this point Dogecoin especially is struggling and generally is exchanging ruddy zone, exhibiting that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an exceptionally significant manner. To essentially put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers really need to fundamentally see the Doge move into the especially short zone in a very large manner.